What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions about what's going on in the car community on YouTube. Hope you are doing well wherever you are in the world and hope you enjoy this kind of stuff. Do check out my other videos. It's just my thoughts and opinions, that's all, guys. I hope you'll get involved. Do comment below and please fucking smash the subscribe button. We are aiming for 2,000 subs by the end of the year. It would be dope if you want to actually smash it. And yeah, I hope you'll hit the like button as well. And I do bring up your comments every Sunday as well, guys. On today's quick episode, we're going to be covering TJ Millionaire Mentor. He's after buying a 765Lt. That's what he's after buying. I always get mixed up between the two. So that's who we're going to be covering. Also, guys, you can hit me up on my Instagram for any stories or links if you want to send them on to me. If you want to come on for a podcast and chat about your channel, if you have a small car channel. I do have 1 or 2 podcasts lined up with other car YouTubers coming up shortly. And one I did do and it got messed up. I will explain that during the week. And also at the end of the video, guys, I'm going to reveal how much I've made so far on the channel. It's not very lot, but my plans for it is what I'm going to explain as well. So, TJ Millionaire Mentor. Okay, like, he already has an unbelievable car collection, and when I saw he was getting a 765Lt, I was like, oh my god, here we go. I want to see the spec, and my god, what a spec he's after getting it in. It's gorgeous. I absolutely fucking love it. He's hit the nail on the head with this one, and like you can see. The thing about McLaren, I've turned into a pretty big McLaren fanboy, and the thing about it is you can tell TJ is he really does love his Ferraris and his Lamborghinis, you know, and it's cool to see that a car like the 765Lt has you pulled him away from that and ended up buying one, and he's fallen in love with it. The only bad side to this when he bought it was when the car came in, it wasn't the correct seats. I think he ordered a set of seats with it, but the seats he got weren't that. But the colour, absolutely spot on. I love it's kind of like a peachy orange, red kind of. I can't explain it. It's a really cool colour with the glass black wheels, carbon everywhere, and you can tell when people don't really drive McLarens or not into them. When they get this car, they fall in love with it. I can't wait to see the stuff that TJ does with this car. I do like his channel. Like, he's got an epic car collection as it is. To mind his massive mansion that he has, he's got an SVJ. He has a 488 Pista. He has the F8 Tributo. What else does he have? He has the ACR Viper as well. Like, he's got a really cool selection. Now, he doesn't mod his cars at all, but he just buys them in stock, and I think, look, each their own. But I really like this spec. I think we're going to see a lot of YouTubers now start getting this car. I wonder if DDE will get one. And also, he actually FaceTimes Tall Guy car reviews as well, which was pretty cool. You can see, like, it's just funny because it's just rumblings going on that Tall Guy is trying to pull away from Mr. Organic. I wonder if TJ Millionaire kind of said to him as well, going, look, you're better off distancing yourself from him. And it looks like Tall Guy just wants to do his Love and Slim thing, but he was chatting away to him, and Tall Guy loved the car as well, loved the spec, and I thought it was an epic spec 765Lt. Let me know in the comments below, guys. Would you buy a 765Lt if you had the money? I definitely would. I mean, that would be second to me in the McLaren brand behind a P1. I really do like them. I like them that much. If I won the lotto in the morning and I was like 100 million, it would definitely be in my list of cars to get. But yeah, just said I'd bring it up to you guys. Let me know what you think of TJ Millionaire's Millionaire Mentor's channel and the car he's after getting. Yeah, guys, I will have a longer video out tomorrow. I'm back in the gym. The gym's reopened here in Ireland. It is warm here. It's 23 Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit for my American viewers, but it is warm, so I'm back wearing t-shirts, no more hoodies. And yeah, I'm just trying to get back in shape. I think I'll go to Ibiza in September on my own to go and party. So I'm flat out in the gym, so I'm sorry for the lack of videos. And as for making the Google AdSense, guys, I said this already. I wanted to learn how to rap this summer. We've made around just over 200 euros. That's all we've made, right? But when I get up to a certain amount, I want to practice on my golf. That is where I want to practice. I want to get into it. I can use my friend's garage. So, you know, once I get up to around the 400 or 500 mark, I will buy like headlights, rear lights, and wrap, and I'm going to wrap the car and get the body fixed in it. And then, you know, I want to practice, use it as a practice car, and obviously we're going to get a project car as well whenever I can get that, if I can afford it. I'm saving for a house, and that's basically, it's very hard, guys, to save for a house and try and put money away for a project car as well. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. Thanks a million for watching to the end. Please do fucking smash the subscribe button, and again, all the people that have like supported the channel, keep commenting, keep smashing the like button. We're getting there slowly but surely, just it'll take time, but guys, I'm trying my best. So yeah, hope you liked it. Until the next episode, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.